Greedygangent entertainment. History up in the making. Sometimes you just gotta let the rain fall. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta just light one. Fuck it. Let's go. Take off. It rains, it pours. Who can you call? 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 I sit in a dark room that's feeling a lot of pain, man. I'm dealing with depression, man, but how can I complain? I see a lot of rain, feeling like nobody ain't gonna come my way. So if I need a hand, who can I hand out? Who can I lean on? This is what the people that I be around telling me I gotta get in on my own. I walk alone like they green mouth. Somebody better go ahead and throw me a damn white towel. I think I need a suffocation. I pop paces. My niggas, you already know I can't take it. Gotta face it, niggas, we dealing with this damn revelation. The Bible trying to make me impatient. It rains, it pours. Who can I call? It rains, it pours. Who can I call? Nobody left me an umbrella, so I was out here with a cold weather. Nobody left me an umbrella, so now I'm left up in this cold weather. Excuse me for sparking up a blunt, but they say that it's not good to cry in the rain. But I was so used to being in the rain, I felt so much pain. I felt like nobody didn't understand my brain, so I would neglect it to the damn streets, man. It seemed like that was just my best friend. It seemed like that the streets came my father and my damn mother, man. I seen the right or wrongs, I seen everybody going down the wrong path, so I decided to build my own. It seemed like the rain would never leave me alone. I'm looking at the dark cloud like, damn nigga, move a fuck around, cause I'm just ready to go ahead and see the sunshine. Sunny days seem like it's just hard to come my damn way. I'm looking for a 40 clover, but it seems like ain't no lucky charm, nigga. So I'm looking at the box like, where the fuck the damn Tory at? I'm throwing the box back, nigga. They done lied to me, nigga. I'm about to take it back. I'm looking like, nigga, ain't nothing shit left but to chop these niggas' head off like I was a part of the cartel, nigga. My life ain't fair, nigga. So if you step up in the ring, better have some boxing gear. I made my moves like I never cared. So if you wanna stick to me, nigga, better pray to God first.